teachers in my life. Drop by drop, that bucket gets filled. You keep adding those drops every day, and after a while, after 2 months, you might be like, heck, I've been working at this 2 months. I don't know anything. 2 months and I'm still like banging my head against this dumb code. I was banging my head against that code 2 months ago. There's hardly any water in that bucket. But then you keep at it, and after a while, you just keep doing it. You do it for 2 years. You're like, whoa, there's a lot of water in that bucket. I figured some stuff out. I know things that other people don't know, right? And now when somebody needs somebody to fix their computer or do some create some websites or do some programming, I can help you out. And then that's really nice to be able to help people, to be able to contribute back to society and do good. It's like, oh yeah, no, I've got something I can offer. So, anyhow, so you were interested in Learn and Go. So let me just do that real quick. So if you go to Udemy, just search Google Todd McLeod Udemy. And then click on the link, and then I have a class right here to learn Go. And Let's Go, the access code Let's Go, will get you in for $9. Just Let's Go. Let's Go. Okay? So whichever you want to use is fine with me. So we're learning about semantics and tags this week. And you know, MDN is always the source you want to go to when you're looking up documentation. So MDN is the source. So just start there, right? MDN element reference or element list. There's an MDN element list. So here's the HTML element reference. And so I talk about this in the videos, and maybe we've already been here before in class, but everything's grouped by different functions, right? So you have all of the elements over on the left. We've already done this in class. Yes, raise your hand. And we talked about the trash can deprecate. Okay, cool. We know all that. So down here we have content sectioning. We were looking at that on Tuesday. And then we also have text content. There's some interesting tags in there. And we also have inline semantics. There's 110, 112, 111, something like that tags. Of that 110, 111, 112, I don't know, 30, 25% of them, right? 25 that you need to know solid. And so that's what I want you to take away from this week. Is just like, let's get solid with some of these tags. And so to that end, I have an exercise for you to do today, and I've put it here on Blackboard. And if you're just watching this video out in the internet land, let me see, how can I see that link? Copy link address. You can go to this link. It's kind of a crazy link, but there it is. You could go to this link if you're out in internet land and you're watching this online, and that'll take you to the first one. So pause your screen to write that down because I am moving on right now. And you could go to this one for the second one. Copy link address. And that is an S2PT0GYAXK. But if you're in this class right now and you have access to Blackboard, you can just click the link in Blackboard. So what you're going to do is you will click this link. And I originally called this a quiz, but it's an exercise. Okay? And when you're done with the exercise in this class to get credit, just take a screenshot that shows me you did it. I don't have to see all the results. Just take a screenshot, right, and upload that into Blackboard, and okay, you did it, right? But a document may have several nav elements, and you're like, I don't know. So you come back over here, HTML element reference, and you say, okay, where's nav? And you could find all the stuff over here on the left. So you go to nav, and then you look here, and you see a document may have several nav elements. Okay, that's true. So I've taken out the most important tags that I feel like you need to know and the most important points about each of the tags, and I've put them all into questions like that so that you have to go dig for the answer and then think about that tag and get used to using the documentation, looking up that tag and trying to figure out the nuances and then choosing your answer. All right? So that's what we're going to be working on in class. And when you're done with that, you also have your other assignments So we have the structure assignment right here that we are working on, and then how many people still need to create this page, the surfer page? So you can work on that, and then I'm here to help you, and other people, your friends and colleagues in Rio, we're all here. So if you need some help working on those, today's a good day to get one-on-one help. Okay? That's the game plan. All right, cool.
Can I make an announcement?
Yeah. Should I keep recording?
No.
Is it a good announcement for everybody in the world?
No, just for class.